Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change voice on TikTok. So first of all you need to open your
দুনিয়াতে টাকার
TikTok,
দাপটে যারা
then click
মানুষকে
on
মানুষই
plus icon, then select your video which you want to upload or change voice. So I'll choose this one.
বাসুদেবায় ধীমহি তন্ন
So
বিষ্ণু
open this
প্রচোদয়াৎ
select,
ওম
click on next.
নামহি বাসুদেবায়
Okay, go back
ধীমহি
and
বাসুদেবায়
scroll down.
ধীমহি তন্ন
You
বিষ্ণু
can see here
প্রচোদয়াৎ ওম
audio editing, so you can change now uh, voice from here. So you can see again, go for it, and you can see voice are changing, voice is changing.
ওম
So guys, this is how you can change voice on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.